Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of cosine squared x times sine 2x dx. Okay, you can rewrite this integral as cosine squared x. Instead of sine 2x, we know from trigonometry that sine 2x is equal to 2 times sine x cosine x, okay, dx. So in other words, this integral will be equal to integral of 2 cosine 2 times cosine will be cosine with the power of 3x times sine x dx. Okay, so this integral you can solve using the substitution rule. So if you define cosine x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you get that minus sine x dx is equal to du, because the derivative of cosine x is equal to minus sine x. So now if you substitute these two expressions into this integral, you can rewrite this integral as integral of 2 instead of cosine 3x, I simply write u3, and instead of sine x dx, you see here sine x dx will be equal to minus du, so that is minus du. Okay, and this integral will be equal to minus 2 integral of u3 will be u4 divided by 4 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. In other words, this will be equal to minus 1 divided by 2. So here all you need to do, you need to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is cosine x. So you write here cosine x with the power of 4 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, and that's the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.